How to create a divorce checklist for a stress-free process. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the best ways to reduce stress during a divorce is to stay organized, and the easiest way to do that is by creating a simple, step-by-step divorce checklist. Let's walk through how to build one that keeps your case moving forward and helps you avoid unnecessary delays or confusion. Your checklist should start with the basics: filing the petition, serving your spouse, and completing your financial disclosures. These are the core steps that every California divorce must include. Write each one down in order so you can track your progress and know exactly what's coming next. Next, include the documents you'll need to gather, like tax returns, pay stubs, bank and retirement account statements, and anything related to property or debt. Having these ready ahead of time will make your disclosures and settlement discussions go much smoother. We helped a client who was feeling overwhelmed by the process, so we gave them a personalized checklist. Once they had it, they went from confused to confident, completing each task step by step until the divorce was finalized, without ever missing a beat. At Divorce 661, we provide all our clients with a customized checklist tailored to their specific case. It keeps everything on track, saves time, and prevents that "what did I forget" feeling that causes so much stress. You can also break your checklist into phases like initial filing, disclosures, agreement, and final judgment, so you always know where you stand and what's left to do. Crossing things off as you go can also give you a real sense of progress and control. If you want a clear, stress-free way to manage your divorce from start to finish, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you create a step-by-step plan and make sure nothing gets missed along the way.